Hello fishing friends. Me and the family are here at Big Springs Hatcheries. The girls can do some trout fishing at the kids pond, and then we're going to go down to the Turkey River. Kendall's not even paying attention to me. She's looking the other way. So wish us luck, and we'll see you in a little bit. Wave hi to everyone. Bye.
Oh, my line just moved. It just turned straight.
Oh, yep. Hold on, you got to bite. Okay, we know what to do. Reel in the slack a little bit, Kendall. Pick up your pole. Stand up. Pick it up. Reel it in. And when you feel a jerk, when you feel a tug, give it a good hard jerk. Go. There you go, Kendall. Good job. Well, good hook set there, Kendall. Oh, yeah. It looks like a nice brookie. Hey, Angus. Angus wants it. All right, now lift it up. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, I'll swing it over here. Fish slap for Angus. All right, Kendall. And back up, Angus. That's a nice brook. You want to hold him? All right, there's Kendall's first trout at the kids' pond, and she got slapped by the fish again. Why is he like getting slapped by fish all the time? I think you have one, Kenzie.
Oh, I feel it.
Yeah, you got one, Kenzie. Hey, no, let her. That's her pole, Kendall. She's fine. She's got it. She's doing a good job. Oh, reel in some more, Kenzie. You got to reel in a little farther. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Step a little closer. Okay, reel in a little more. Keep reeling. All right, now lift them straight up. Now step back. Good job, Kenzie. Over here. Hold your brookie. Kenzie's first brookie at the kids' pond. You're gonna give it a kiss. All right, high five. All right, let's catch another one. Get your fishy. Kenzie's got another fishy.
This is her last, but I get five.
Ooh, that looks like a nice brookie, Kenzie. Keep reeling. All right, now lift him straight up. There you go. Swing him over here. Good job, Kenzie, with the brook trout. All right, let's get him off your pole. Oop, he's gonna wiggle on you. There you go. There's Kenzie Joe's second trout. It's a brook trout. Give it a kiss. High five.
I can't.
Oh, she dropped him. All right, we'll catch another one. When you see a good, when you feel him, pull it. Give it a good hard. Is he still on there? Get off. Just reel in and recast. I think you got off. Maybe you lost it. Nope, he's still on there, Kendall. Oh, that thing's going crazy now. That's a nice brook there, Kendall. That's a real nice brook, Kendall.
Me and Kendall both got brooks.
Yeah, you both got brookies.
Now we get to eat them.
Go, Kendall. He's fighting. You're having trouble, aren't you? Keep reeling. You got a little more farther to reel in.
Oh, I see him.
All right, lift up and swing. Good job, Kennedy, or Kendall. I called you Kennedy. You're not Kennedy, you're Kendall. So you're using Kennedy's pole though, but that's a nice brook trout, Kendall. I think that's the biggest one yet. Got him? All right, Kendall, go with another nice brook trout. You gonna give him a kiss? High five? High fish. All right, let's catch another one. There's one fish on. Oh, and he got off. I had one, but he got off. There he is. There he is. I got him that time. Brook trout on the rattle trap. We're gonna let him go. He's little. A little small for me. Got a brook trout on the rattle trap. Let him go. Come on, little buddy. All right, let's catch another one. There's one. Another one, another fish. Another one on the rattle trap. A little small one again. We'll let him go again. All right, Kendall, you want to let him go? All right, let him go, Kendall. Good job.
Now where is that?
Ooh, it's a nice brook here. I already got him reeled in. That's a nice brookie there.
I want to hold him.
That's a nice brook trout on the rattle trap.
I want to hold him.
Nice, well, I guess it's not a rattle trap. Lipless crank. Nice, pretty rainbow with a lipless crank right there, see? Hold on. There you go. There's one, Kendall. You want to reel this one in? It's like another nice brookie. Oh, all right, lift up, lift up. All right, another nice brook. Maybe. Ah! This guy's a flopper. Another nice brook on the lipless crankbait. Wow, I got his top and bottom jaw. No way was he coming off. Still gonna flop some. There you go, there's Kendall's trout from the Turkey River. Gonna give him a mooch. All right, let's catch another one. Here's one. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Me? I want it.
You want to get it, Kenzie? It's a big, I don't know. Hold on, Kenzie, that's a big one. Here, put your hand right here. Kenzie, you're not gonna be able to reel this one in.
Why?
Because this one's too big. Oh, and it got away. Yep, we lost it. That was a big brook trout. I'm not mad at her. Yeah, it was just too heavy for you, hon. It's too big. I don't think you're going to be able to fish down this river with my pole because I'm afraid it'll pull out of your hands. Okay? Here's one. That's a good one. That's a good one. There's one. That's a good one. That's a good fish. That's a pretty nice rainbow or brook trout. Look at that. Another nice brookie. Another brookie on the lipless crank. This lipless crank is killing it down here at the river. All right, another nice brook trout.
Kendall, get away from the edge of the water.
That's another nice brookie. Another nice brook trout. Another nice brookie on the lipless crank. Man, they're not interested in the roost you're telling me, but man, they're hitting the lipless crank good. Another pretty brook trout. All right, let's catch another one. There's a good fish. Yeah, it feels like another. Oh, he got off. That felt like a good one, but he got off. Darn it. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. I'm gonna need the net, Nikki. It's a good one. Net, net. I'm gonna need a net for this one. Hurry, please. Oh, that's a good one. Oh yeah, run, run. Well, I guess never mind. He's not as big as I thought he was. Nope, I thought he was bigger. He's still a nice rainbow, nice brook.
I don't know how to get it off, so.
Never mind, I thought he was bigger than that. He must have gotten the current, but still a nice pretty brook. Here, I'll show you how.
Well, I unhooked it from the beaner.
Oh, this is why he felt bigger, is because I foul hooked him. That's why he felt bigger than what he was. Still, nice pretty brookie. There's another one. Oh, a little brookie. We'll let him go. Got a little rainbow. Oop, there he goes. He fell off anyways. Oh, there's a fish. There's another fish. Oop, got off. Let him go anyways. Little rainbow. There's one. It's feels like a decent brook. He's fighting pretty good. Ooh, that. Yeah. We'll let him go. Nope, he got off anyways. He's not quite good, big enough, but close. There's a big brookie. There's a fish. There's a brookie. That's a brook. Guys fight really good in this water. They get into that current, and they're able to use that current to their advantage. Yeah, that's a pretty nice brook. We'll let him go. We'll let you go, guy. Just not quite big enough. Close. Got your hook good. You weren't coming off. There he goes. Nice, pretty brook trout. Let's let him go. Come on, bud. Away he goes. It's a slipless crank and right along the shore. Like you're known right there. Right there along the shore. That looks like a little rainbow. Nope, we'll let him go too. Long, skinny little rainbow. Hey, stop. Ow, 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 he got me in the finger. Oh, God, you set the barb on that one, but I pulled it out. You bastard. All right. A little rainbow. So I'm going to go catch another one. Away he goes. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good brookie. That's a good brookie. That's a good brook trout. There we go. There's a good brookie. Ah, guys, flopper. Stop flopping. Good brook trout. All right, that's a nice big old, whoa, stop flopping. Nice, this guy doesn't want to stop flopping. Anyways, nice pretty brook trout. All right, I give up. He's a keeper. There's one. Another good one. Another good one. This guy's a fighter. Oh, this is the first decent rainbow we've caught. All been brookies or small rainbows. These guys are fat. Stop, I'll let you go, bud. Another, oh, well, he got away.